Welcome back to the Macklen Makes Electric Bike project. Since last time we've had a few more pieces arrived. We've got the key switch, we've got the chain and the rear sprocket. This is what we're going to be working with today. We've got the original freewheel on our BMX wheel. We're going to have to try and centre this. Hopefully Daddy can tack weld it into position. We found these spring washers and they fit perfectly so we can centre our sprocket. We've cleaned some of the chrome off with the grinder and we've also cleaned some of the freewheel off as well. Now Dad's going to see if a welder will take so we can hold this thing in place. So the sprocket now is welded in place. We're going to put it back on the bike and see what place the motor in as well to see what the chain looks like. Our wheel's back on, but our chain needs to be adjusted for length. While we put our motor, we're going to need to cut a notch because the chain, if we didn't cut a notch, the chain would just rub. But other than that, it looks good. What do I say? We've done everything we needed to the chain, but if you look carefully, there's a link which helps it stay together. We're going to leave it there for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.